So guys, now lighting and everything is done. I'll not show you the time lapse and all because I'll not shoot that. But hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Nyasa and you're watching Nyasa's Lifestyle. This is episode 4 of Devlog 2020. And guys, I hope you are you're responding so good to my Devlogs and I hope you're enjoying it. And if not, please comment below. I can do some improvement. So this is a vlog and this whole vlog is on how my day would be going. Today is 11 November and after tomorrow is 12 November and then we have Choti Diwali and then the main Diwali. So I'm so excited. So as we know, when festive season is coming, there are many preparations which we do. So today it's all about the video. Today I'll tell you my whole day, what it looks like and how it will go. So currently it's 9 o'clock and I have just completed with my online school work. I have taken my notes and all the online work. As my online classes start at 8 in the morning, so I have to wake up at 7 and then I have to do everything fast and then I have to attend my online classes at 8 o'clock. So I also don't bath before my online classes. I have only 2 online classes today. One in the 8 o'clock which is completed and second will be in the afternoon that I'll be going to complete. But now I'll be going to take my pre-breakfast kind of stuff, which is always cup of coffee, nothing else. So let's go in the kitchen and bring that up. So guys, currently I am on my terrace. Look at here. So now I'm going to plan my day because today a lot of tasks I have to complete, and after I'll be done with planning, I'll show you that what I have written so that you also get a concept that what my day is going will be going like. Okay, so let's get started planning my day. So guys, I have done with my to-do list right here, and now let me tell you everything today I have to do. The first thing I have to do is lighting, because if you, in Diwali we had decorated houses with fairy lights, so that we have to do today. Then I have to do nail care because I have to apply nail paint today for Diwali and Diwali shopping. If it's not in a priority because we can do it tomorrow also, Diwali shopping. But if I'll tell you. If I'm not doing it, so leave it. Okay, we can do it tomorrow also. Cleaning my room, which I have already done in my previous video, but I'm a messy girl, guys. Editing video, which is very important because this series is going, so we need to edit. Making thumbnail for this video, and that's it for today. And if I'll add something, I'll tell you guys. So now now we have made the to-do list, but we have to complete our morning chores like bathing, brushing, everything, and then we'll be doing this. So guys, I have bath now and it's 10:30 in the morning, and now I am going to take my breakfast. And if you see my room, it's still like this only, as I make you as you saw to the starting of the video. It's still messy, guys. I have not organized anything, but now I am going to take my breakfast, and the thing I'm wearing is, guys, I am thinking to do my nails first because it will not take a lot of time to do my nails. So let's do our nails. I'll show you how I do my nails, and I think let's do that first, and it's one of our tasks to do today. I'm so excited for Diwali, guys. Please comment below your excitement level for Diwali out of 10, and mine is 9.5. Oh my god. Okay, let's get started to do my nails. Okay guys, so I'm here and this is the box where I keep all of my nail paints and everything. So it's kind of a nail tool kit. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just take this cloth and keep it on this table so that the nail paint doesn't harm this table. And then the products I'm using is this filer. Then second thing I'm using is this white nail paint. I'm applying white nail paint, by the way, because it matches with every dress. So the white nail paint I'm using is this one. And the second thing I'm using is this top coat from Ebony, London. This one. And I think that's it for what I'm using. I don't want nail paint remover because I have I have currently wrapped up with all the work and now I'm going outside, sorry, on the terrace to decorate my house with fairy lights, which is one of the best parts of Diwali. And also guys, when I feel tired, I come and sit on my bed. As you can see, I'm working on my bed because when I feel tired, and I was working from the morning, so I just came on my bed and here's a chair. I just took the chair of my study table, keep it just in the corner of my bed, and just took this bed table and start working here. I also love, when I'm tired, I usually work here. So let's go terrace to see what we have to do. I will not do this, my father does this, because if I'll do this, then of course I can just get a current shock or something. I'm like very scared of these kinds of stuff. So let's get started. So let's go there and see. So guys, I have reached my terrace and it's currently 4:54, like almost 5. So we will be starting our work now. We'll be doing the lights right here and then from here to here. Now when it will be done, I'll show you. I'll not show you the time lapse and all because I'll not shoot that much, but when it will be done, everything will be done, I'll show you, and also I'll tell you how it will look at night. So bye guys. So guys, now lighting and everything is done, and our neighborhood houses are also decorated their house with fairy lights, and now Diwali vibe is coming so strongly. Now let me show you my house. So let's go. So guys, I wanted to end my vlog right here only, and that's it for today's Diwali 2020 episode. I think I'll be editing video and studying something, eating my dinner, everything like that. I want to end my vlog here. If you like this video, don't forget to give thumbs up, and if not, then give dislike. And that's it for today's video. Bye guys. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.